Good morning, guys. Logan here. Welcome to the vlog. So hopefully I can get the vlog up soon, but my computer is having problems because when I restarted it, I haven't uploaded Windows Movie Maker. But yeah, that's fun. So I said to restart it. Ooh, that's a nice. So yeah, it's gonna update and then restart, and I'm gonna eat a Pop-Tart because I'm hungry. Hey guys, I finally got the video uploaded, which, I mean, it didn't even take that long. I don't know why I'm acting like it took hours, but I just want to give a shout out to one of my YouTube friends, Panda the Boss YouTube, or just call her Panda the Boss. This is her channel. Go subscribe to her so we can get her to 200 subscribers. She has 192. She deserves so much more, and she's doing a new series called, she's doing a channel review, so she can review your channel if you want, but definitely go subscribe to her and get her to 200 subscribers. And she makes banners. She made mine. I really like it. So thank you very much. And I'll leave her channel link in the description, so go subscribe to her. Guys, I am in a rush because, per usual, I took too much time on the computer because I wanted to set up a Facebook page for my YouTube channel, and I have to work at 9:15 and it's like 9:11. Ha! No, I'm just kidding. So I will see you after work. We're gonna go shopping for a shirt because I still don't have one in the weddings tomorrow. Hey guys, so I just got out of work and I got a beverage from Aroma Joe's. I'll show you in a second if I can. Do not fly in front of me, bird. Good lord. Oh, don't stare at me, I'm just vlogging. You're shirtless. That's fine. Anyway, so it is right here. There. It is a strawberry kiwi frozen lemonade, and it is so good. So yeah, I'm gonna drive home and get out of these work clothes. Okay, stop trying to fly in front of me, bird, because it is super hot. So yeah. Hey guys, now that I am out of the jeans and jacket, I am watching our Twin Lives vlog. Is that a bug on there? No, it's just a stain. But yeah, I got this Aroma Joe's. It's very good. Actually, I haven't drank any of it, but I'm really thirsty. So I'm gonna do that, and then we're gonna go shirt shopping. So yay. Hey guys, so we are on our way to go do some shopping. We are going to continue to look for a bow tie and a nice shirt for tomorrow. The wedding, tomorrow's Saturday. And there's a large event going on. Is that another dog show? Yep. Wants to go to a dog show. We have one. Yeah, I'll see you guys at Walmart. Guys, we are at Walmart. I don't know if I already vlogged in here or not, but I am going to get a Steam gift card, I think. And yeah. That's not the Pro. That's the iPad Air. It is Steam gift card, so I want to get that one so I can get the YouTuber's Life, possibly. Actually, nah. I don't think I'm going to get it today because I don't really play on Steam. Alright, so we're going to go look at the toy section real quick. See if we can find any new blind bags. Not that I really do blind bags that much anymore, because I can't find any ones that would be good, and I have way too many. So, if I find any, I will enlighten you. Oh, that's my favorite. I like those Gatorade bottles. I don't know why. Oh, they're not Shopkins. I thought these were Shopkins. They're Squinkyville. 2 Squinkies and 1 Dew. I don't understand. And there's a lot of Shopkins. I'm looking for season 2 of these. I see series 2 like of that. I don't see any blind bags though. Hey, let's go get food. My parents went out to dinner and left me with $20 to go get something to eat. So I ordered from Gourmet House Pizza. So we're gonna go pick it up, come back, eat it, and probably binge watch something or play video games. Maybe I'll show you guys the new Minecraft mode, because it is really fun. I like that it locks the steering already. Hey guys, I got my food! I get the kids meal because it's not that filling, but I don't eat very much. There it is, chicken tenders and french fries, and, well, sweet potato fries. These sweet potato fries are so good. Oh, I'm so hungry. Still eating. Fun fact, I eat a lot of ketchup. And I'm watching Brain Games, and like I said, I have the subtitles. I haven't watched this in a while, but I apparently made it to season 2 the last time I watched it. Yeah. Hey guys, I'm playing on my iPad. I'm gonna go on Roblox. And as you can see the movie in the background, I don't know if you can actually see it. I'm gonna be watching The Heat. But right now I'm waiting for my binder to be done washing because I need it for tomorrow. And yeah, I'm gonna go on and read. No, I'm tired. Let's kidding. So, laundry's done. I am still playing Roblox. This is my, retail tycoon or whatever. And it's awesome because it saves, and then you can reload it, like, you never lose it. But yeah, I don't have a ceiling, or a full roof, right now, or even a full wall. There's a piece missing down there, because I took it down to expand it. Okay, what is she buying? She's buying a book. Thank you guys so much for watching, and if you subscribe, thank you so much for subscribing. Make sure you guys leave a comment down below what you want to see. And yeah, Logan out. Peace.